Welcome to this video tutorial on how to grow microgreens using vermiculite or perlite. Microgreens are a nutrient-dense food that can be grown easily at home. In this video, we will show you how to grow these tiny plants using vermiculite or perlite. Microgreens are tiny plants that are harvested just after the first leaves have emerged. They are packed with nutrients and have become increasingly popular in recent years. As a result, they are now available in grocery stores and farmers' markets. However, growing them at home offers a way to have fresh, nutrient-dense greens on hand at all times. To grow microgreens using vermiculite or perlite, you will need a few materials. These include a seed tray or container, vermiculite or perlite, water, and microgreen seeds. You may also want to have a spray bottle, but it is not essential. The first step in growing microgreens using vermiculite or perlite is to prepare the container. Fill the container with vermiculite or perlite, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. Then, moisten the vermiculite or perlite with water until it is evenly damp. Now it's time to plant the microgreen seeds. Scatter the seeds evenly over the vermiculite or perlite, making sure that they are not too close together. Then, cover the seeds with a light layer of vermiculite or perlite. Press down lightly to make sure the seeds are in contact with the growing medium. After planting, water the container gently with a spray bottle or by pouring water around the edges of the container. You want the vermiculite or perlite to remain moist but not waterlogged. Once the seeds have germinated, place the container in a sunny location and water as needed. Within a few days, you should see the microgreens starting to grow. After about a week, they will have reached a height of about 2 inches and will be ready to harvest. Cut them just above the soil level with a pair of sharp scissors. Rinse them lightly and enjoy. Growing microgreens using vermiculite or perlite is an easy and enjoyable project that can be done in the comfort of your own home. With a few materials and a little bit of care, you can have fresh, nutrient-dense greens on hand whenever you need them.